can sense that the home crowd want City to commit a few more players as Mahrez runs up against Bueno. Pull back to De Bruyne, clips his cross in. Haaland's header, 1-0. There it is. Simple and effective. Backwards to Laporte. Ake's ball on. Oh no. Penalty Manchester City. Gundogan had his ankles clipped by Ruben Neves. Haaland with the penalty kick. Left footed and he scores. Jose Sá went left. The ball went to his right. Oh no, Jose Sá's given it away to Mahrez on the edge of the box. Now Haaland for 3. Oh no! Terrible goal to concede. A hat-trick for Erling Haaland.